In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a custom calculator in Wix. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will build the calculator and connect everything together. Once your site is open, go to the top menu and click Dev Mode. Then toggle Turn on Dev Mode. This enables the coding panel, which is what allows you to add custom calculator logic instead of relying only on basic design tools. If this is your first time using Dev Mode, do not worry. You only need it here so the button can run your calculation when someone clicks it. Next, add the input elements that will hold the values for your calculator. These inputs represent the variables in your formula, so think carefully about what information the visitor needs to enter. For example, you might use one input for a price, another for a quantity, or any other values your calculator requires. After that, add a button that will trigger the calculation. This button is what the visitor will click once they have entered their numbers. You will also need a text element to display the result. Place it somewhere clear and easy to read, since this is where the final output will appear. It is a good idea to keep the layout simple so users can quickly understand where to type and where to look for the answer. Now select the button, click Add Event, and choose On Click. This creates the action that runs when the button is pressed. In the code panel, enter your JavaScript math logic to process the values from the input fields. In other words, this is where you tell Wix how to read the numbers, perform the calculation, and send the result to the text element. Make sure your code handles the input values correctly, especially if they need to be treated as numbers before calculating. That helps avoid errors and makes the calculator work more reliably. Once everything is set up, test it in the editor to make sure the calculation works as expected and that the output updates clearly. When you are happy with the result, click Publish to make it live. That way, visitors to your site can use the custom calculator directly on the published page. That covers everything you need to know.